Hi everyone, I'm Lauren and today I'm going to show you all how I got this really cute sleek braid that I will rock whenever I'm going hiking or just going to work out. And I did wash my hair off camera with my new favorite shampoo, which is from the new Tea Tree Hemp collection, and it is the Restoring Shampoo and Body Wash, so it does work as both a body wash and a shampoo. I will be creating this style with my Paul Mitchell 3-in-1 curling wand. So I started with my hair already pulled back into a ponytail, so I'm just going to simply create some waves using my curling wand throughout the ponytail. And this is just going to give my braid a little bit of extra volume toward the end of the style. So now I'm just going to section my hair off into 3 sections because this is just going to be the traditional 3-strand braid, and I'm just going to start braiding down the ponytail. I do want to mention that I did use a heat protectant off camera, so today I used the Neuro Protect before I used the curling wand. So now I'm just going to secure my braid in place with the hair tie, and then I'm going to begin pulling it out just to make it a little bit fuller and bigger. And voila! Now you have a really sleek, cute braid that you can wear when you go work out, you can wear it to go run errands, or you can just wear it when you want to look cute. So I really hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you all again next time.